KOHO and mobile deposits, friend or foe? Ever had a check burning a hole in your pocket, but no way to get to a bank? Maybe you're a freelancer who gets paid by check, or perhaps grandma still insists on the old-fashioned way. In today's digital world, mobile deposits have become a game changer. But what about KOHO? They claim to be a modern financial solution, so do they accept mobile deposits? Let's face it, traditional banking can feel stuck in the past. Paperwork, hidden fees, and limited branch hours, it's enough to make you want to tear your hair out. That's where fintech apps like KOHO come in. They promise a new way to manage your money, often with features like budgeting tools, fee-free spending, and instant notifications. Sounds pretty slick, right? But with all the bells and whistles, some core functionalities might get sacrificed. So, the big question, can you ditch the bank branch and deposit that check straight from your phone with KOHO? The reality of KOHO mobile deposits, spoiler alert, it's not great news. Alright, here's the deal. As of today, KOHO does not accept mobile deposits. That's right, you can't just snap a picture of your check and have the funds magically appear in your account. While KOHO prides itself on being mobile first, this feature seems to be missing from the party. Now, before you hit that unsubscribe button, there are a few things to consider. KOHO might not be the mobile deposit champion, but they do offer other ways to add funds to your account. Alternative funding options for your KOHO account. E-transfers, this is probably the easiest option. If you have a bank account with Interact capabilities, you can send money directly to your KOHO account using an e-transfer. It's usually a quick and free process, making it a good alternative for topping up your KOHO balance on the go. Debit card top-up. Got a debit card from another bank? No problem. You can link your external account and transfer money directly from your debit card to your KOHO account. There might be a small fee associated with this, so be sure to check the fine print before you go wild. Direct deposit. This is the ultimate set it and forget it option. If your employer or any other source pays you by direct deposit, you can easily have those funds routed straight to your KOHO account. This ensures your money arrives automatically, without any manual intervention needed. KOHO's mobile deposit future, a glimpse of hope. KOHO is a relatively new player in the fintech game, so there's always room for improvement. The good news is, they seem to be aware of the demand for mobile deposits. There have been murmurs on their community forums and social media channels about potentially adding this feature in the future. While there is no official confirmation or timeline yet, it's a positive sign that KOHO is listening to its users. If mobile deposits are a deal breaker for you, it might be worth keeping an eye on KOHO's updates to see if they eventually jump on the mobile deposit bandwagon. KOHO, the verdict on mobile deposits. For now, KOHO doesn't quite fit the bill when it comes to mobile deposits. However, they offer alternative ways to add funds, and there's a chance they might introduce mobile deposits in the future. Ultimately, the decision of whether KOHO is right for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. So, with that, thanks for watching, and until next time.